Have you ever been in a situation that many people think that you were not going to succeed? Well, Bitcoin has been in that situation that so many people think that Bitcoin won't succeed. But you can see that Bitcoin market cap has gone right up to 1 trillion. This is crazy. Bitcoin now at 51,000 going to $52,000. This have caught so many people by surprise. So many influencers out there on Twitter X are like, oh, we didn't expect Bitcoin to get to this point at this point in time. Many people were expecting that maybe, towards the halving or after the halving, Bitcoin can hit that, price point. But Bitcoin doesn't respect anyone. Bitcoin is out there to disrupt anyone who think that Bitcoin is not serious. So today I want us to actually look at the, like the bigger picture of Bitcoin, crypto, top altcoins out there that we can make profit from. If say you have been part of my community, you have been part of my platform, you know that Bitcoin is an important, aspect of how we go about trading or investing in cryptocurrency. And we look at Bitcoin to give us that opportunity to get into altcoins that can make us gains. Bitcoin is where we have security, and altcoins is where we go and make the gain. So we print, Bitcoin, we are trading altcoins. And most of the altcoins that I share with you guys on this platform has been really doing well. Now, let me not say most of these altcoins I share as if only my altcoins are doing well. In fact, almost everything in the market is doing well. If say your coin is not doing well, then your coin is somehow dead. Like if say by now your coin is not actually doing that well, then your coin is actually dead. Now, what I want you to understand is this: the issue here is not that we're gonna be trading or buying these altcoins. The issue here is if say you don't know when to take out profit, then at one point in time, you're gonna find yourself being back to square one. Imagine that those people who expect you to fail and you like told them, oh, you are making money in cryptocurrency, and at one point they ask you, oh, how much did you make? Oh, how far? How far? I'm like, oh, I lost everything back again. That's what my channel is here to prevent. And if you say you want to be part of this community, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Sharing my content is gonna help you, be part of my community. I'm gonna do a giveaway today before the end of the show, and this giveaway is gonna be one of those giveaways that you want to be part of it, because we are in a situation where you have to be able to get information every now and then that will help you to make massive gains in this industry. So if there's someone who is about to give you a VIP membership, someone who understand the market, who understand market structure, liquidity, everything about the market, then you ought to be able to be available and grab this membership. So, having said all this, guys, let's dive right away into the source of today, the juicy part of today. What I got for us. Let's get back to this. Bitcoin. This is actually amazing to see that Bitcoin is doing this. Is actually at 1 trillion market cap. And if say Bitcoin is able to get to 1 trillion market cap, it means that other altcoins out there are going to start making big moves alongside Bitcoin. And when we look at the entire crypto market cap, we can see that it is now at 1.9 trillion. That means very soon we're going to be seeing a 2 trillion market cap. And Bitcoin alone is holding what? Half of that market cap. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting right now at 330 billion, right? Look at Solana. Solana is heading towards, and XRP is down. It's like XRP and Binance has been taken over by Solana. So no, Solana has taken over Binance and XRP. That's what I mean to say. So Solana is on fire, and let's just dive right away to look at crypto bubbles. Let's see what the bubbles got for us. The bubbles, wow, everything is in awesome green. You can see how it is. Let's go to the top 500 coins. Let's see what's going on, the flavor there. You can see this is really good, guys. Look at I don't know what token is this. This low caps Miro. I know about Miro. This is a dog coin. Guys, everything is in green. Like, this is a daily time frame, and if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that like almost everything is in green. Let's go to the top 100. Usually I focus on the top 100, and if I have to go far to look for more gems, I go to the top 200, and if I want to be extreme, I go to the top 500. Right, so you can see, like, everything looks so bullish, and yeah, I cannot say more than what I'm saying to you guys. Like, everything looks bullish, but there are coins that haven't yet pumped for the week. You can see Shiba Inu. Write this down. Shiba Inu haven't yet pumped that much. Dogecoin haven't yet pumped that much for the week. Let's see which coin again haven't yet pumped that much. This coin BNB also haven't pumped that much. Neo haven't pumped that much. Dot haven't pumped that much this week. Let's see which coin is here also. And ING haven't pumped this week. I'm here on the weekly time frame. Is it weekly time frame? On crypto bubbles. So these are the coins that you can look at. QNT haven't actually pumped at all. You can see it's up just 3.8%. So this is one of the coins that you need to get. Like, if say you have to buy something, QNT, you can see here for the day it's up 3%. For the week it's up 3.8%. So this is an opportunity coin. Let's see which coin again. EOS is also another coin that hasn't yet pumped. Among the top 100 coins, but it has pumped today 2%. For the week 7%. So check out that bad boy as well. Let's see. FTM Phantom also haven't really pumped. You can see for the week it's up 16%. I think it doesn't really pump looking at where it is right now and where price was before, so it doesn't yet pump. Guys, I'm just giving you guys alphas where you can check on, and Chili's also haven't yet pumped. Look, check on Chili's. Chili's has not pumped for the week. This pump 3.3%, for the day 3%. Let's see which coins also are okay. So I think MKR also haven't yet pumped. I think this is Mecca DAO, something like that. I don't know, but it doesn't yet pump that much. For the week it's up 9% only. Looking at what Bitcoin is doing, so these are the coins that are gonna really pump. That alongside Bitcoin, not alongside Bitcoin, after Bitcoin has pumped. We have XT, that's Tezos. Tezos also haven't really pumped. It has pumped for the week 10%. So guys, go and check out these coins. The rates have pumped really awesome. But now let's dive into today's TA. Let me first of all look at the liquidation map. Guys, from this Binance liquidation heat map, we can see, or I can see clearly here, that there's two scenarios that can play here. The first scenario could be that the market makers take price to about $52,175, or they can take price right down to about let's say, what price is this? 50,800. So these are the two scenarios that we can expect for the next 12 hours. They can move price, and I think, looking at where price is right now, the next liquidity that they can go and grab before bringing price down during the US session is push price right up to 52,000, then retrace it back to about 50,881 before they can take price to 58,000. I mentioned that we're gonna see Bitcoin at 58,000. I'm gonna explain more to you guys why I say so. Now, the reason why I always want us to be on guard is because it's important we look at the market in the bigger picture, right? We look at what Bitcoin is doing in the bigger picture. If you understand what Bitcoin is doing in the bigger picture, then you'll be able to manage your portfolio, your own portfolio, build a portfolio that moves along Bitcoin. I'm going to share with you guys coins that move alongside with Bitcoin. But before I do that, I want you to understand this. Don't just take my shows as a show that you want to make money quick, or you want to, know what is going on with Bitcoin, or want to just become a millionaire, look at my shows as tutorials, because every day I try to educate you on one thing. When you are able to be patient enough to follow the money, to understand what moves the market, what is going on, whenever something happens with Bitcoin or there's a news out there, how other altcoins, perform, and what are your plans? What do you really want to do with crypto? When you understand all this, it's going to help you to build a sustainable lifestyle around crypto that will keep on making you money every now and then. So I say, let me say this, because most of you, I think maybe you are not actually like, you haven't decided to take this serious. Crypto is serious, and we are in an important era. The next, like this bull market, like, let me say the next bull market. We are in a bull market right now. You have been hearing of bull market. This is the bull market, and we are going to be favoring more upside price. So you want to put yourself together and take advantage of every aspect of the market. So let's dive right now. Let's check on this. I think my let me check on this right now. Uh, guys, one moment. I'm trying to fix some stuff here. Let me see, guys. If you haven't yet liked the videos, do like the video and smash the subscribe button. If you haven't liked, you have to like. So let's dive. I want to show you guys something here before I go. Let me see. Let me bring the chart of Bitcoin here. But if you haven't smashed the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button. If you haven't liked, do like the content. You're gonna help this platform reach out to more people. Now let's look at the chart. Let me look at. I'm trying to okay, this is it. I was trying to find the Bitcoin chart. Now you can see here. I want to go to the. I love to look at this at the on the 1 hour time frame. Right, we can see that price is moving alongside this indicator that I talk about, Trendilo. If you don't yet have Trendilo and you are excuse me, guys. If you don't yet have Trendilo and you are part of this platform, go and get Trendilo. You should get Trendilo, because Trendilo is very important in the way I go about trading. Right? Trendilo helps me to know what trend the market is in. Like, if say you would have follow the rules of Trendilo, that you are buying whenever you see this green zone here, and you sell whenever you see this red zone here, you would have been in awesome profit right now. But I don't only use that this the way I'm saying right now. There are so many stuff I look at, and I look at price, especially on the 1 hour time frame. If price is above the 50-day moving average, and price is also trending on the alpha trend, and the alpha trend has printed a buy or a sell signal. Excuse guys, excuse, sorry. It's like I have cough. Sorry. So you have to look at it that way. That this is gonna be like a roadmap to you. This is gonna show you the trend of the market. And if I zoom out, you can see that at this point in time, the Trendilo printed this. Let me take this a little bit up. Maybe you are not seeing it properly. Let me take this a little bit up. So you can see the Trendilo printed this, and whenever I print something like this zone here, and price, have to go back to, to the overbought area, because below is called oversold and above is called overbought. So when price is oversold, it prints this zone here, and if price is overbought, it prints this red sign, this red zone over here at the top. And this red zone is a signal to say that they are gonna start reversing the price back to the downside. So I want you guys to understand this. What did I do here? Okay, let me take this down back. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now looking at this structure, looking at what price is doing, looking at what Bitcoin is doing, I will say to you guys that we can see Bitcoin hit about $58,000. I'm gonna explain more to you guys why I think Bitcoin is gonna hit 58,000 dollars. I don't know what right now. I'm trying to to do this, and it's like being caught up. My It's like the stream is about to freeze, so I'm trying to fix it. Shouldn't be freeze. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't want the stream to end, so I'm trying to make it in a way that it doesn't freeze. So I'm trying my best here to give you guys the best show. So now you can see clearly that price is moving around this area, and when price is moving around this area, we have to be able to protect ourselves by looking at where our altcoins are. I'm gonna go to check some altcoins that we have here that we trade on a daily basis. Let me go first and check on let's check on which one first. Guys, sorry, my laptop has started freezing, so I'm just trying hard to make it that it shouldn't freeze. Bear with me, guys. I think right now where you are is freezing. Let me see. I don't like this. Oh boy. Oh boy. My laptop I think, is beginning to freeze. So let me see if I can fix this, guys. Um, I'm lagging right now. I think I'm lagging. I should be lagging right now, and I don't want to be lagging. Let's fix it. Wait. Let's wait for a little bit, guys. Let's wait for a little bit for everything to be balanced. I think it's getting back to normal. Let's wait for everything to be balanced. Because if say it's not balanced, then I cannot really do this show. I want to be able to do the show properly with you guys. Yeah. So I don't want my laptop to be freeze. I want the kilobyte, everything to be not the kilobyte, like yeah, the kilobyte to the kilobytes, bit rates to be normal. I'm saying kilobyte. So I want the bit rate to be normal. If the bit rate is normal, then we can keep on doing the show. But the idea here, guys, is I want you to really get. That's why whenever I come across any stuff, I want you guys to get it. I want you guys to be able to learn. I want you guys to be able to make better decisions as you invest in this industry. And as we wait, okay, I think now it's getting to normal. I think it's getting to normal, and that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So I think the bid rate is getting to normal, and I want to see it to get to about 10,000. Right now it's at 8,000 before we can continue. But while we wait, I want to tell you guys this little story. Like you know, life hasn't been always good to me. Life has been difficult past that you at times you wake up, you don't know how your life's gonna be. It's like everything is coming to an end, no money, you don't have any money, you don't know when you're gonna eat, you don't know if you're gonna eat 3 square meals a day. You are looking for that one thing that is gonna help you break through, take you to the next level. You are like, okay, what can you do to be successful? You look at everything, look for a job, you cannot get a job. You look at your government, you cannot get a job from your government. You have started going to school, have all this stuff, and at one point you look back and you say, wow, you can do better. You can actually do better. You can create something for yourself. You can put yourself out there and create opportunities for yourself. That's what I did, guys. I put myself out there, and I went through the hustle and bustle. Went through rock pulls, went through struggles, get into scam project. Was scammed by many people as well. I've gone through a lot that has made me to be who I am today. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this story is because I want you guys to understand where you are is not the end. There's still more to come in the future. When you give up, that's the moment when you fail. Provided you are still strong, healthy, breathing, moving, growing, then you are gonna make it in life. You're gonna be successful in that thing you are doing. You say you create time every day to learn to make it happen. And that's why I'm here. I'm here because I want you guys to be able to have the best knowledge out there in this industry. And looking at my path, and looking at what I have been through in this industry as well, I can say to myself that I am one of the best persons to educate or mentor someone out there to be successful in this industry. So I think right now is everything looks better. We are back to 9,000 kilobytes, but I want to believe my little story about me. Like this is not. I'm gonna be telling you guys more about my story, my me, and what I've been through. This is gonna be a journey together, and I want us all to be there to to talk and express ourselves that we have been through this, we have been through that, and now we are about to get to the bottom of our lives. The top of our lives, not the bottom of our lives. But guys, let's dive right away into this. I think right now we are getting everything in not to normal, but I have to fix some one stuff again before I go. Let me fix some. I want to fix the delay. Right now it's not doing well, so I want to make it to 5 seconds. So I want to apply it right now. Good. So I've applied it. Yes, I think everything looks good right now. So now let's look at this. Let's go to Chirpley. Chirpley is doing so well. Chirpley is Chirpley is breaking bounds. I told someone, I think that someone is you guys. That someone's is you guys. Are you guys? Are you guys? I told you that when we look at the weekly time frame for Chirpley is heading towards the all-time high, right? And from where it is, there is no resistance. There's no resistance where Chirpley is right now. Meaning, this bad boy can ride as far as this bad boy can go. We can see this bad boy go right up to 0.05. And we can see it go maybe to 0.1, like 1 cent. So Chirpley can get to 1 cent. And maybe you are there telling yourself this might not be possible. Guys, everything or anything is possible in cryptocurrency, right? I don't like this chart. The daily chart is not like that healthy. Sorry, the 5-day chart or weekly chart, but I love this one. You can see clearly that this bad boy, there's no stopping. And right now, it's so sad, but you can see that the retail investors, they are the one now in the market. The market makers, they have pumped the price. Whenever you see this green vector candle, it represent, short. That means the liquidity provider, like the market makers, they are building short. And when they are building short, it means that they are preparing to reverse price. And when you see these red vector candles, it means that they are preparing, to long. Right, but now you can see they're building their shots here, So if you say they have to reverse price, this is where they're gonna come and claim all this liquidity here. So be watchful. Don't just invest blindly. Always be part of my community, be part of my channel, watch my live shows, watch my videos, and I'm always gonna be updating you guys on this. It's not easy, guys. Trading is not easy. It's not. Let people not tell you that this is an easy task. You can just wake up someday and get things done like that. No, this is a daily challenge that you go through every day. No one is perfect in this industry. No one can brag to say that they know what will happen tomorrow. Trust me, no one can say that. But what I can tell you is this: if say you are able to understand how the market moves, if say you are able to understand how price moves, then you will be always protected in the market. You'll be always one step ahead, knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. Guys, if say you are enjoying the show, smash that like button. Comment below. Let me know where you are watching from. I want to know when you are watching from, where you are watching from, and let me just try as hard as possible right now to create the giveaway link. I have to create the giveaway link on Telegram. So you guys can will be able to join the live stream, or not the live stream. You'll be able to join the VIP session as soon as possible. Let's go and make more money. I can see more of you guys watching. I'm ready to drop the VIP link anytime soon so that you guys can get some stuff. you know, you guys can get some part of this juicy VIP sauce. I want you guys to be able to be part of my community and make money with me. So let me create a new link right now on my Telegram, and then share it with you guys. So be patient with me, and this link is gonna last for an hour. So if say you're gonna get it, If immediately I see 10 people, I'm gonna stop, like revoke the link, giveaways. So be giveaways. So the link is created. Let me share the link. I want to share the link anytime soon, but the link is created for sure. So let me do this. Let me do this. I know there are some people out there who are still waiting to be part of this. All right, guys. Let's continue. Let me look at other coins. Let's look at what is going on with other coins. I think Chirpley. I was just looking at Chirpley and to see what Chirpley is doing, but I think Chirpley, as any other coin, is just reflecting what Bitcoin is doing. So let's just hope that Chirpley is going to give us more gains in the future. So let's look at Audi. Audi actually, we're gonna see Audi. Let's look at Audi on this. Let's see. I think we're gonna see Audi go to about $100 today. Yeah, for the next 24 hours, we might see Audi go to $100. Okay, wow. Let's look also at ICP. ICP. So this is ICP, and I think that we can see ICP go to $16. ICP looks somehow bullish. You can see on the daily time frame, this green candle is printed above the 50-day moving average. So we can see this coin move that much to about, let's say, $16. This is possible. So keep an eye on, keep an eye on ICP. I think that's gonna happen for ICP. Let's see which coin do we have here as well. That I want us to check to look at right now. Let me see. Solana. So let's look at Solana. I think Solana, we can see Solana go right up to $130 per Solana. Looking at the daily time frame, I think like Solana is gonna make another all-time high. Not like all-time high, like ever since the dip, another high. Let me use the word another high, not all-time high. You're gonna see that happen. And let's look at also Ethereum. Guys, what is fascinating with Ethereum is that I think Ethereum, when I go to the weekly time frame, Ethereum is going to $3,300. This might sound crazy, but this is what is going to happen with Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to go to $3,500. And the reason why I say so is because if I pull this from the bottom retracement tool, from the top to the bottom, on this weekly time frame, you can see that price has broken this 0.382 area, and price is going right now to the golden pocket. So the golden pocket is the target. This is around $3,300, right? So if say you are investing in Solana, then be rest assured that Solana price can get to that amount, to 3,300. I'm sure of that Solana is gonna get to that price. So be mindful. If say you are Ethereum. If say you are invested in Ethereum, then yeah, that's gonna happen. Let's look at Gary. I see a request to check on Gary network. Let's look at Gary. You always come here with this Gary stuff. I think Gary should be pumping right now. Wow, there should be an opportunity here for Gary. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, looking at the daily time frame right now, Gary hasn't really done that much. I think price is still below the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So if say I'm gonna buy Gary, I think I check on Gary. It should be a good coin. If I'm gonna buy Gary, then I'm gonna wait for price to pump like a little bit up and be above the alpha trend. Then I'm gonna buy back the retracement. Because if price get to this area, where the alpha trend pointed a sell signal, I think we're gonna see some minor reversal. Then I'm gonna buy that reversal, and I'm gonna buy it depending on what Bitcoin is doing or Bitcoin has done. For now, I think today it is looking bullish. We can see more pump to the upside for Gary. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's happening. Okay, you can see the 4 hours time frame is, it looks bullish because price, we have seen this, we can see this blue vector candle. Whenever you see this blue vector candle above, like immediately above, or yeah, above the 50-day moving average, then you should be bullish on that time frame. You can see, yeah, I think that they are preparing to move price to the upside. But of course, these moving averages have to come closer a little bit, to squeeze a little bit before we can see price move more to the upside. And if say we look at the alpha trend, yeah, okay, yeah, you can see. Sorry, you look at the Trendillo, you can see that the Trendillo has formed a divergence, yeah. And looking at this divergence, it would have been an opportunity to get in, like from this level. And I think you can see there was double bottom here. You can see double bottom here, and that was what sparked the price to the upside. Wow, I think like the setup for Gary looks somewhat okay. It looks somewhat good. So if say maybe you are investing in Gary, then just hold. Let's look at the target. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see the target for Gary. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, yeah, let's see. Wow, guys, the upside for Gary looks so amazing. It's gonna be back to this golden pocket, yeah, around 0.0049, or did you just say 0.05? Yeah, this area, yeah, is gonna be an important zone. I already marked this zone already. So if say you are buying Gary, then the first zone that you should expect some sort of pullback, price is going to this area, the 0.382 area. That's going to be the first area where price will reject before maybe come back, retest this zone, then bump right up to the golden pocket. So this is what I want to see with Gary. And I think at one point I'm going to check out Gary. Maybe it might be a good coin somehow. I don't know. But I think looking at what I'm seeing here, it could be something worth checking, or what looking at. So the Gary guys, I don't know if say that was okay, but I'm gonna drop the link, guys, right now. Um, drop the link to the VIP. So this is the link. Make sure you join the VIP. Use this link to join the VIP. I'll be excited, or it'll be exciting to see you guys there. If say you want us to be here with me, comment below that you want us to like for me to keep being live with you guys. But use that link to join the VIP group. That's important. And if say there's any question you want to post to me right now is the time to post the question to me. It's not as if I've come to the end of the show, but I want us to have a conversation. I've been talking here alone, and maybe you guys have some questions that you want to, post to me. So it'll be right for me to respond to you accordingly. If say there's any question. So if you have any question, do let me know. I can see Penrillas wants us to check on Quant, QNT, and Metis. So yeah, let's just dive right away to check on QNT and Metis. What is happening with QNT and Metis? Okay, let's go right away to check this. Penrilla, that's my wife. She's an investment guru. She's always following my shows. Like if there are times when there's no one to watch my shows, she's the only one watching my shows. Guys, I just enjoy doing it. Imagine that you are at home with your wife, and only your wife is watching your show. Like she's looking at you and watching your show at the same time. So I mean, she's the best. She's just there with me always. I love her so much, and having someone that always believe in you, that always love your stuff, follow you. So I'm gonna do Metis whatever she want me to do. I'm gonna chat it for her. So don't be jealous, guys. It's just how it is. Let's dive right to it and check on Metis right now. Let's see what the Metis is doing. Actually, I'm holding Metis. I plan to sell Metis. Metis hasn't been doing that well. So this is Metis. And I would say that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, I'm gonna see exactly where Metis is gonna go to before we can expect some sort of retracement back. So I'm looking at Metis to go to around $103. That's the target for Metis. Anyways, from where Metis is right now, if you hold one Metis, you're gonna make $10, no doubt. But right now, one Metis is $90. I'm seeing that the price is gonna go to this area, this golden. Let me zoom this a little bit so you can see it properly. I don't know if say you can see it, but let me zoom this a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see at this golden pocket, this is the area where price is gonna go to for Metis. Right now, price is holding around this zone here, which is normal because Bitcoin is pumping, right? And Metis also has pumped that much. But looking at this vector candles here, and looking at the fact that they have recovered it and still above, like trying to push price to the upside, I think we're gonna see a huge spike, whoop, like that, like this week, this something like this week here happen here with Metis DAO. So go, like, not like go if say you are holding Metis, don't bother to sell right now. I think there's still more upside for Metis. Don't actually worried of what is going on in the market right now. Just focus on the price action. If say price have to move fast, it's gonna move alongside with with Metis. So don't feel as if everything is dead with Metis. Not yet, not dead yet. There's still more upside to come with your token. So now let's move to another aspect, which is QNT, another coin, not aspect, another coin, which is QNT. This one I'm heavily into it, and I can bet everything for this coin, like everything. Why? Look, I drew this trend line here, and looking at the fact that this is the daily time frame on QNT. Looking at the fact that these indicators always respect themselves, or have always respected key levels or key areas. I would say that this area where this trend line is, this is a proper zone to buy QNT. Like, I don't know how much it has pumped today. Okay, it has pumped 1.74%. I see the target for QNT to be $127. And if say QNT becomes that bullish, then we want to see QNT go right up to how much? $152. Now let's pull the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's look at the first zone where we can say this is going to be the first take profit area for QNT. So let's pull this. Let's see. Okay, you can see this zone here, the 0.382 area is the first take profit, and how many percent this is from where price is right now. Let's see how many percent this is. It's gonna be about 11%, or let's see 13% movement, and that's gonna be around $120. So this is where price is actually going for QNT to $120. After that, then we can see price go back around the golden pocket, which is around $134. Yeah, $132, $32. Yeah, so that's gonna be the area where if say we wanna see some sort of reversal for QNT to come back to this area, then it's gonna be from that zone. But the first area where you can take out profit, is 120.20, and if you say you see some pullback and then buy back to take price back to $132. So this is a scenario where I think price can move towards or against with QNT and follow this trend line. If say price pumped, I'm gonna be doing shows every now and then on about this token anyways, because I am one of the major holders. I'm holding the token, so I'm gonna be doing shows always about it. My wife keep pumping these coins. I should do Casper CSL. Okay, I want to do Casper, but before I do Casper, I want to explain something about this token, like QNT. QNT, what they are all about is they like their blockchain is built to communicate with other blockchains, right? So let's say for example you are a developer, you want to build on Ethereum blockchain, but you need some resources from Binance Smart Chain, so you can use the Quant network to bridge, right? To an extent, let me say it's like channeling, something like that, but it's a very important project, and we can see this token go right up to about how many $1,000? About $10,000. Like it sounds crazy, but this is what I think will happen. We're gonna see this coin go to about first of all, we're gonna see it go to $1,000 in no time, like we have seen what Bitcoin is doing. When Quant wanna start pumping, there's no stopping Quant. So this is important. I say let me do this. Let me explain to you so that you know what you're buying if you are investing in this coin. And there's a coin which is about to pump right now. Let me share it with you guys. Actually, this coin is about to pump. If say we can catch it straight right now. Actually, I'm already holding the coin, but if say you guys can catch it, you can catch it. Then good. This is 1,000 sats. Sat is about to pump, and let's check out where SAT can pump to. So actually, SAT is about to pump. Now let's look at this. This is an ordinance coin on Binance or on other exchange. So let's look at the top to the bottom. Let's look at area where we can see SAT pump to, and then maybe. So this coin can pump first to this area at 0.00059. From here, how many percent it is? Let's see how many percent we can make if the price get to that level. That's gonna be 24%, and to the golden pocket that's gonna be 56% for start. Now if we go to the 4 hours time frame, let's see if say we got some more data here. Yeah, the 4 hours time frame is about to pump, and the reason why I say so is because the beta moving average has come closer. So we're gonna see a pump like up, then price is gonna come back to retest this. By then, this 200-day moving average, sorry, this 50-day moving average and the 5 and the 13-day moving average must have come up. So this is what I think gonna happen. But guys, if say you haven't yet joined the group, make sure you join the group right now, because very soon I'm gonna go off the stream. But I think this coin looks somehow bullish right now. It looks somehow like the momentum for the coin is bullish. So check on that coin. I don't know where you are, but I think you can get it in, like, you can buy quants, sats from Unistat and many other exchanges. So let's look at CSPRO, Casper. Let's see what is going on here with Casper. Okay, guys. Casper, it looks like this. I mean, am I holding Casper? I don't think I'm holding. Yeah, I'm holding CSPRO. And guys, I'm gonna explain to you guys something here. But before I explain to you that, let's actually look at this. Let's pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top to the bottom. It's a daily time frame. So let's see the first target for for CSPRO Casper. The first target is around this area here, 0.04182, and the main target is the golden pocket at 0.047. So if say you're gonna buy this token and ride it right up to the golden pocket, then the target should be around this. Let's see the price, how many percent? That's gonna be 44%. So these are the kind of gains you can make with these coins. If say you are buying them, you can make these huge gains with this coin. I really love the fact that these coins are able to make us these huge gains. But if say you are investing in cryptocurrency and you are not able to make these gains, it wouldn't be that good for you. Bitcoin alone cannot make us the gains we want, right? We have to look at other or all coins to be able to give us that gain that we want, to make us the like make us the cap that we want to make in this space. So I'm always gonna be here with you guys to chat these altcoins. If you have any altcoins that you want to talk about, someone told you about it, you want to be sure if the altcoin is good or bad, just let me know and I'm gonna chat it for you. I'm gonna make sure we are having the best coins here to chat, to trade. I think to an extent, we have come to the end of today's show. I don't know if say you guys have something else you want me to talk about. Do comment below. I've been live here. I want to trade some coins as well. So make some gains as well. I don't want to be here alone, talking, and you guys are making money there. I want to make this money together with you. So if my TA was helpful to you and you have gotten the main point of this TA, because like what I want you guys to see is like today's show. Let's do a recap of today's show. Today's show was all about you seeing the fact that what is impossible is possible. I've made all these talks here talking about this coin or that coin. Bitcoin has hit 1 trillion. And what was impossible is possible. When people say this Bitcoin do otherwise, people have told you that crypto is bad. You won't succeed in cryptocurrency. But right now, most of them are going to come to you and ask you about cryptocurrency. So you have to be strong as Bitcoin is strong. Be healthy as Bitcoin is healthy. And don't give in to anyone as Bitcoin don't give in to anyone. Be strong, be healthy, and be strong like crypto. Yeah, be strong like crypto. All right, guys. If say you are watching and you haven't, I can see. Oh, Daniel says, "Baby Doge, baby Doge, baby Doge." Oh, the baby, the baby. I didn't do baby Doge coin. Let me see if say I can do baby Doge coin quickly. Like I'm gonna do it quickly. Let's see what the baby is doing. The reason why I had to do it is because it's our baby. Our baby, is important. Let's do the baby. Let's see what the baby is doing. Okay, now let's go to Baby Dogecoin. Baby Doge. Baby Doge, what are you doing right now? Oh boy. Baby Doge, one thing I hate about Baby Dogecoin is that it doesn't respect the alpha trend. Look at this buy, sell. It's like the indicator is lagging when it comes to the alpha trend. Now, like the baby looks good. It's just like one. But my problem with Baby Dogecoin is that it's so slow to move. I don't know why. So if you want to see Baby Dogecoin move like other coins out there, it wouldn't be that much. But I think that today it is really moving that well. Um, 4.5%. I've done a video about the target, so go and watch that video. Go to my videos and watch my like the one I did about Baby Dogecoin price prediction. I mentioned the different areas where we can see price move to. If say let's see um let me see if I have to retrace this right now. Um, okay, right now you see this target has been is going to be the around 0.00000001290 is the first target, but I want you to focus on the golden pocket. It's around this area at 0.0000015. So you can place a sell limit order right now at 0.000000015. Anyway, 15. So that's going to be the target for Baby Dogecoin. I think so. So go and do just that if say you want to take advantage of the Dogecoin. Yeah, I think guys I've done so much already, and maybe this is it for today. And I want to believe that this was really helpful to you. Oh, I was saying all these things without sharing my screen. Oh guys, I'm sorry. I was saying all this without sharing my screen. So this is what I was trying to say, yeah, guys, with you guys. Actually, I'm sorry that I didn't share my screen. So now I'm sharing my screen. So this is it. Um, if say you want to get like, let me see. Guys, one moment like this. Let's see. Let's see. One moment. I'm trying to fix some stuff here. Let's see. One moment, guys. Be patient. One moment. Let me check something here. Okay, I fix it. All right, guys, I fixed what wanted to do. So let's go back to the Baby Dogecoin. I was explaining to you guys, but it's like I wasn't actually sharing my screen with you. So this is the target for Dogecoin. It looks so good, like the price looks so good. The first target is 0.0000013, and the second target is 0.0000015. But the target I want you to focus on is it gold? Is this golden pocket area? And this is at 0.00014. So if say you're buying Dogecoin right now, that should be your target. I think it's gonna get there. And looking at the vector candle, you can see this red vector candle here. It's a sign that I think price is gonna get there, no doubt, to recover it. And when price recover it, you can watch to see what price will do. If price break, I go towards the 0.786 zone area on this Fibonacci retracement tool. Then wait for a pullback to the golden pocket. Then that's when you're gonna buy. So you're gonna buy exactly again where you sold it. But the reason why you're gonna sell it is to protect yourself. Maybe from there you can see some retracement. Then you buy at the more cheaper rate. So that's the scenario for Baby Dogecoin. Hopefully this was helpful to you, my guy. I know most of you here are Baby Dogecoin lovers. You love the baby so much that I cannot go without talking about Baby Dogecoin, but it's one of our top coins in like what I invest in. So I want to believe, guys, you have gotten some value from this video. And if see you got some value from this video, then stick with me. Join the link. Use the link below to be part of my Telegram group. After this show, I want to stop it. I want to end. No one can join it again. So if say you want to join right now before it's too late. Having said that, guys, I think it's best for me to go right now. I'll be shipping for 50 minutes. Let me go and check on the market and then also do some stuff. Right. Let's be in the group. Let's chat in the group and let's share stuff together. All right, bye, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.